Mubarak, everyone. We did a few of the kids' gifts. A few decorations are up right now. We're just making the favors now for the kids. And yeah, Mama's cooking. Oh, I'm so excited, it's Eid. Don't judge my turban type of hijab that I attempted. So today what I'm wearing is this. It isn't completely new, but I've never worn it, so I think, yeah, it's very nice. I love the sleeves. So that's currently what I'm wearing. Basically, I ain't gonna lie, this Eid, I haven't been like screaming to buy new clothes and buy loads of things for myself, because since I've been doing the charity with Mama, I've just been like thinking every 2 minutes that there's people that have nothing, and I've just been getting like so emotionally affected by each and everything I do, because I'm thinking there's so many people out there suffering. They don't have any food, clothes, family, and it's making me like second guess everything that I'm doing this Eid. And this is my little munchkin light, baby. You look so adorable, mashallah. But yeah, anyways, that's why I've been feeling a bit. But me and Mama, just a little FYI, we're going to Pakistan in June, and I've sent the donations that was accumulated through Ramadan, but now I'm trying to raise more so me and Mama can take it and do loads of work over there with your guys' donations. So thank you again for you guys for donating, and yeah. Eid Mubarak, gorgeous. Oh my, Naf, your suit is stunning, mashallah. Naf, you look amazing. Let's see your MOTD as well.
Makeup, oh, I haven't got much on.
Yeah, right. The pants.
They're a bit long though.
Those pants are so fly.
You know what they remind me of? Cowboy.
I love cowboy. And this is like the dress. Ooh, girlfriend. Oh, girlfriend. Oh, girlfriend.
Let me do you. Look, woman.
I've shown them. Mama made all this food. Rice, ovs, dal meat thingy. Chicken roast. Oh, no. Shut the front door. Subhanallah. Oh, chips and chicken. Wedges and chicken, homemade. Some achar, salad and chutney. Oh, guys. I'm going to just eat this now. Wait. Okay. All the kids are eating Eid food. Nummy, nummy. Is it yum? Is it yum?
Yeah.
No? Oh, okay, fine. Ayla's in a bit of a mood. And this is my plate, alhamdulillah. Although I'm unable to taste anything, it's amazing. Yum. Caleb, this one's for you, baby. Yay! Open the presents time. Oh, how nice. This is from Sumaya. Oh, Sumaya picked you up, Ryan.
So I do that one now.
Yeah, this is from me, baby.
Wow.
Do you love it, Ayla?
Yeah.
Woo! Do you like it? The kids are playing with their own toys now. We're just chilling, top billing. Sumaya's did the Hoover.
A, B, C, D, E, M, N, O, P.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Y, Z, Z, W, A, J.
Good. A, C, D, T, C, M, N, O, P.
What in the hell language you speaking? My throat is killing me, and everything that I eat, I don't even know why I'm eating, because I can't taste anything. Like this, just crunch. I don't even know what it tastes like. It don't taste like butter. It tastes like nothing.
Medina, Medina to Nabi, Medina, that's where I wanna be. Oh, oh, Medina, Medina,
Oh, oh.
Medina, Medina, hola.
البدر علينا من ثنيات الوداع وجب الشكر علينا متى لله. Oh, the white moon rose over us from the valley of Wada. Sorry. She's like, why are you taking my shine? 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh, I'm counting because we're playing hide and seek with the kids, by the way. Nothing, yes. Ready? Did you just...
Yeah.
Pet peeve when somebody just drops the nice fizzy cola. Just such a moron, Sumaya.
Stop and laugh.
Anyways, ready or not, here I come. Let's go find them. I wonder where these kids is. Ooh, I know. I'm trying to prolong the time so I don't find them very quickly. I coming. I wonder where they is. I wonder where these kids are hiding. Okay. They're so cute, mashallah. Ayla's trying to teach us how to do the hula hoops. Yeah. So this is the result of a water fight. The brother has arrived. And he's wearing a thobe. Wow, how Muslimic is he?
Put my double chin
You
in.
are so Muslimic today. Akhtar di Mubarak Shah. Do you understand what I said?
What?
Akhtar di Mubarak Shah.
No, that's cute.
She looks good at any angle, Gunja.
No, wait. Akhtar di Mubarak Shah.
No, but
Look how fly this one looks. Mama is awake! Finally, Mama, thank you for your food. The food, by the way. And the turban hijab, I have no idea how people that wear turban hijab because I went to co-op and I was wearing it, and when I came in I was wearing it, when I left the whole hijab fell off. Yeah,
Because you don't
great.
need clothes, you don't...
Just a big Eid Mubarak. It's the end of the night. We're going to put the kids to bed. Everyone's going home. I hope you guys have had an amazing Eid, and inshallah I'll see you guys next time. Or maybe tomorrow because we're doing something else with the kids for Eid. Bye guys. So Sumaya woke up and she has Mehndi on her face. It's Eid day 2. Can I see your outfit, Caleb? Oh wow. Mama's paratha, green tea, double cream, beans, breakfast ready. Oh my god. This is like Mama's signature breakfast. It's so good with the chili beans. Hey everyone, it's Eid day 2. I'm in this suit. This is a dress, yes.
I think the top's cardi.
Khadi, yeah, it is khadi.
You know it's cardi, right?
Khadi, alright, khadi, same shit. Mama's getting the kids toys today, and
manic again.
it's gonna be crazy again because Smith's is huge. Another kids day. What you doing, your mama?
Kids day.
Every day kid day. I just wanted to say a huge thank you to you guys because I sold out completely of the 15 mil serum bottles and I only have a few left of the 30 mil, so thank you guys so much. I'll be restocking very soon. I feel really ill today. I'm still so bunged up. Anyways, let's appreciate Nafia's suit now.
This is from Mama again.
This is such a nice suit, mashallah. We have suits, by the way, but the thing is Mama just gets better suits.
Yeah, I don't know why.
And then otherwise we buy new clothes, but the thing is when we see Mama's it's like
2 new
clothes from for Eid, and she ended up wearing Mama's on the second day.
I did wear both of them yesterday.
Why'd you wear both of them
The
yesterday?
first one, the tassels were coming off and somebody was like, take it off.
Right.
So that's why I wore the other one.
Okay. How's everyone else's Eid doing? Comment below and let me know how it went, because I think this will be uploaded in about 2 weeks. But I'm trying my best because the reason why I'm a bit delayed with uploading is because do you know my external hard drive?
Oh yeah.
It isn't processing. Everything of mine just breaks. Maybe it's a sign. Oh my god, you look like Caleb, you better find Summo because Summo's buying you these, okay? I've done my Eid gifts. Mum's getting the kids Eid gifts right now.
That's a shade, isn't it?
So we're done in the toy shop and now we're going to Pizza Hut to feed the kids and feed ourselves too. But the funny thing is I watched this series, Good Girls, on Netflix. It's such a good watch, by the way. You guys need to watch it. And I finished the whole 2 seasons and Nafi's like stuck in the middle. She keeps going to sleep and I'm like, so basically at the end,
please,
are you one of those people where you say at the end of the thing? But the thing is, I get really pissed as well. When Game of Thrones finale was on and I didn't see the episode and Nafi and Mama were watching the episode.
I didn't say anything.
I came in the room, they've watched midway of the episode, of the whole thing. The whole
Midway.
thing. Midway. And then I came in the room and I was like, no, don't tell me anything about Game of Thrones. Mama was like, the lady died. I was like, which lady? She's like, the lady died. I was like, don't tell me! I was going crazy. I was like, why did you tell me? I knew straight away which lady died. It was Daenerys.
Oh, you were upset.
I was very upset. I was so upset that I threw a hissy fit and I went to
and
bed.
then you made me watch the
And
whole
then
thing again.
made Nafia watch the whole dreadful episode again. Because I was just like, I needed to see it for myself. The way how Jon Snow... By the way, who else thinks the episode was horrifically horrific? Okay, it was so rubbish. They rushed it so much. Wish they took their time. I wish they did like another, at least 3 episodes. I wish the Night King was the final thing that had happened in the whole series, but no. They ended it with Jon Snow going back to the Night's Watch, Arya going to the end of the West, and the disabled brother,
Who looks a lot like Dina's brother.
who looks a lot like Yusuf, as the king of 7 kingdoms.
No,
6 kingdoms.
And for millions of people watching it for 10 years,
Mama,
you shouldn't have.
Mama,
Basically, yeah. We're in Pizza Hut. Dina's joined us. Why don't you sit down? When you sit down?
What's that?
When you sit down?
I don't know.
Okay.
Feel all free.
She had about a few hours without the kids and now she really feels like it's Eid. Well done.
You feel what?
She feels like it's Eid now that she's had time away from the kids. As the day goes by, my symptoms begin to deteriorate.
Have you taken any antihistamines?
Now, and I'm just so ill, it's disgusting. I feel bunged up and just gross, so I can describe how I feel. We've decided to take them to play some games. It's just vibrating. It's such a crazy game. It's within Heavenly Desserts that's just launched in Cardiff, and I've never been. It looks quite cute. So this is the raspberry cookie dough. This is the chocolate chip cookie dough. Looks so yummy. I'm gonna try the raspberry one. So good. So this is a Biscoff cheese waffle. Lotus sundae basically. It isn't focusing right now, but it looks so good. We annihilated it. Everything was so yummy. So this is a family friend from a very long time, and this is his and another family friend's place. So check them out, guys. They're newly open, local in town, and by the way, the desserts are amazing. We're in Mama's house now. I'm so tired, and been having like a really emotional day. I've had like loads of anxiety today because I suffer from like severe anxiety, and this has been since my... Who's in the thing? Sumaya? This has been since my like illness that I suffer from it. So today has been like... Yeah, I'm clean now. God damn, I can't even... What? What did I get you? I was supposed to get a dye for Sumaya. Anyways, as I was telling you guys, I have been suffering with severe anxiety since my illness. They diagnosed me with post-traumatic stress because it was like crazy. I was like dying and everything else. So anyways, aside from my illness, I still suffer with like really severe anxiety from time to time, but I had a little bit of therapy sessions, and they told me how to deal with it. But today is one of those days where I'm really struggling with it, and I think the biggest trigger for me is at the moment in my life, I'm just thinking I want to be... The final step of being a better Muslim is for me to wear a hijab. Who is in the room? Hi, Naf. and
Talking about your
hijab thing, and
plans of changing. your
yeah,
life.
me and you want to do me and Nafi have been kind of on the same wavelength today. She wants to, we both feel like this, like the, thank you Naf, the final step of being, you know, good Muslims, because pray 5 times a day, don't drink, don't smoke, never have done, don't do everything else that's haram, don't eat anything haram. Basically we do everything else. It's just the biggest thing would be to wear a hijab, and for some reason I'm finding it like in Ramadan I found it okay, because it's just like, okay, it's Ramadan, I don't want to ruin my fast, I want to wear it and everything else. And now it's the devil has been released from his chains, so it's just lingering in my head that, okay, I don't really necessarily need to wear hijab now because I'm not fasting. And it's really messed up, because, you know, I should continue it, and I'm trying to, but it's just, I don't know why am I finding it so difficult. Even my hair isn't even nice. Like, in my dad's words, my hair isn't even nice. So I just don't know what it is. The way how I would explain it, because a hijabi said to me the other day, like, it isn't a big deal wearing a hijab. The thing is, people struggle that wear a hijab with praying, and I have since the age of 7 never ever struggled with praying, alhamdulillah. People find it difficult to pray, whereas I don't find it difficult to pray. I find it very easy. Everybody else deals with their own demons, and this for some reason is mine. It's just a hijab. For goodness sake, Maliha, get over it. It isn't a big deal, just put it on. Maybe, do you know what I think it may be? Because I was temporarily wearing a hijab, and like, people, for some reason, I've had a few not very good experiences when I was wearing it, like racist comments, or like hate comments, or like, just, I don't know what it is. It isn't in my head, like, you get treated completely differently when you wear a hijab. I've been rambling on a bit too much, so I'm gonna end the vlog right now, and tomorrow me and my husband are going out, hopefully, if he doesn't change his mind. But we're going out, doing just me and him, date night and day, whilst Caleb is going to be with his cousins. Hopefully that's the plan right now. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the Eid vlogs, and I shall see you guys tomorrow, maybe, if my husband doesn't feel uncomfortable being in the videos. This is the big thing. Another thing I wanted to brush up on. You guys are like, where is your husband, blah blah blah, he doesn't want to be in any family functions, blah blah blah. The thing is, my husband doesn't want to be filmed, like, ever. And I kind of do need to respect that my husband doesn't want to be filmed. Not everyone wants to be filmed. Like, Sumaya doesn't want to be filmed. My brother is present in most things, but you won't see him because he'll kill me even if I bring up his voice in the vlog. So my husband's kind of the same. I try to avoid bringing him in as much as possible because he doesn't like it. So that's the reason why my husband isn't seen in most things. Even pictures, by the way, he doesn't like taking pictures neither. So, and FYI, he has no social media. Even when I met him, he's never had any social media. He even says WhatsApp is social media, and he stays away from it. He just doesn't like the whole idea of social media, and he likes to keep a private life. Even before we were married, he's just been very private. He's very I wouldn't say unsociable, I'd just say he's super private, and he likes his own private life, and he wants to keep it private, and he doesn't feel like you should show your life. And then he has a wife that's on YouTube. Anyway, on that note, I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.